Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back after a really long time. Welcome me. That's my favorite product. I'll share my views about it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel after really long. You might have thought कि छोड़ दिया होगा YouTube वीडियो बनाना, but I'm back. Even I thought कि मैंने छोड़ दिया YouTube. Okay, I'm very unpredictable. You can't predict me. Even I can't predict myself. So, not a problem. Hi, welcome me back on the YouTube channel. Okay guys, let's be serious. Okay, that's bad. So for all of you all who are watching me for the first time on this channel, which you most probably are because पहले भी कुछ खास view नहीं थे मेरे. So hi, my name is Riddhima Sharma, and I live in Jaipur. I am from Jaipur, and I'm currently pursuing BA Honors in Political Science. Talking about why did I quit YouTube earlier. So there's not a specific reason, honestly. The major reason was lack of motivation because I was not seeing any growth on my channel, and secondly, there was a lot of confusion about content, like kya dalu, and I am very like a overthinker. I'm a huge overthinker. So I used to make videos, I used to edit them, and at the end I used to think like this video is not like good enough to post. So I didn't used to post anything. Okay, so I totally quit YouTube like a year or more than a year ago. After that also I still make videos, but I never post them. But today I finally decided to just post. Okay, I'm not gonna think anymore कि अच्छा है बुरा है. I hope I'll be consistent this time. भाई मेरा कुछ तो है YouTube के साथ. whenever I film anything कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम आई जाती है. अब मैं आज मैंने वीडियो बनाना चालू करा और मेरे फ़ोन की स्टोरेज प्रॉब्लम आ गई. वाओ, बट मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें डिलीट करके आई हूँ अभी. सो होप अभी प्रॉब्लम ना आए. बट क्या बोल रही थी मैं भूल और गई भाई. Anyways, so in this video I'm gonna talk about life updates, and I'm gonna give you guys some reality checks and a lot of thoughts that are going on in my mind. So if you like such like sit down video, you're gonna enjoy this video, so stay tuned. So कहाँ से start करूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें चल रही है दिमाग में. Okay, let's start from today. आज से शुरू करते हैं. आज क्या किया. ऑनेस्टली मेरी टाइमिंग्स आर सो बैड. लाइक अभी भी मैं ये यूट्यूब चैनल मतलब अभी मैं आई हैव स्टार्टेड मेकिंग दिस वीडियो. आई हैव डिसाइडेड टुडे अचानक से दैट आई एम गोना स्टार्ट मेकिंग यूट्यूब अगैन. आई एम गोना स्टार्ट मेकिंग यूट्यूब वीडियोज़ अगैन. सो इतनी बुरी टाइमिंग होती है बिकॉज परसों से मेरे एग्जाम्स हैं एंड आई एम मेकिंग दिस यूट्यूब वीडियो एंड नाउ इट्स गोना टेक 6 घंटे फॉर मी टू एडिट दिस वीडियो and lot of time wastage is gonna happen, but it's okay. I'm a multitasker and I can compromise with my studies. I should not say that. So when I was in school now, I was not at all a good student. I was like a below average student and I used to like fail on my tests and टीचरों की गालियाँ सुनना and इट वॉज लाइक अ रूटीन. घर पे आके घर वालों की गालियाँ सुनना एंड स्कूल जाके स्कूल में टीचरों की गालियाँ सुनना. आई हैव ऑलवेज चेंज्ड माई स्कूल्स. ओके, लाइक आई हैव लिटरली चेंज्ड सो मेनी स्कूल्स इन माई लाइफ. I was in Kenwell school, and then I went in Jayashree Berwal, and then I went in Delhi Public School, then I went in Candlewick School, and then I went in Shanti Asiatic School. I went in so many schools. I'm sorry, I'm having a mic in my hand, but mic use में तो मैं ले नहीं रही हूँ, but fine. And till 10th, I remember I was not at all a good student in my school. I used to be counted in like those below average वाले students. And ये भी नहीं कि मेरे में शर्म थी like कि fail हो रहे हैं क्लास में या teacher daily डांट रहा है तो पढ़ के चल. I was a very messy kid, okay? And the only thing I remember were the cants that I did in my school. Like now I'm not like really proud of those things that I've done in my school life. I'm not gonna talk about them, I'm sorry. But like I'm not like really proud of things that I've done in my school life. I've done a lot of bad stuff. Not bad stuff means bad stuff. It was like जो बदमाश बच्चे करते थे. Okay, that. In 11th grade, I went into the school Shanti Shatek, and since then I think my like life as a student changed a lot. One of the main reasons I would say for that was the kind of people that I had in my classroom. Before 10th, बहुत ही ज़्यादा कॉम्पिटिटिव बच्चे, बहुत ज़्यादा मीन लोग were there around me before 10th. 11th and 12th में भी बहुत ज़्यादा थे, but comparatively thankfully, thank God, I had great peer group in my class. After 10th, I started opening up. I got a lot of good people in my class. I'm not gonna go to the negative stuff, but I really met really good people. I also found my best friend in 11th grade, and the funny part is she was not like my friend in 11th and 12th, but when we got out of our schools, we became best friends somehow. That's a different story. I'm gonna talk about that somewhere else. But 11th, I really opened up, and I saw like a huge change in my grades. I won't say that I suddenly became a topper or something. I was still like an average, below average student, but I really started enjoying studying for some reason. Like a lot of things did change after grade 10th, and the major reasons were like people around me, like my classmates. They were one of the major reasons, because they were like really good people in comparison with the other classmates that I had before in like other schools. They were like very mean people. I hated them. So I am a humanities student, and 10th तक तो सब कुछ पढ़ना पड़ता था, maths and all of that, which was also one of the reasons why I didn't used to really score good, because these subjects were not my genre. Okay, maths and science, I hate these subjects still. अभी कॉलेज में इस सेमेस्टर में मेरा मैथ्स एक सब्जेक्ट आया, लाइफ स्किल, एज अ लाइफ स्किल में सब्जेक्ट आया मैथ्स. आई हेट इट. सो मैथ्स एंड science are not really my forte, but in 11th, when I got the option to choose what I want to study, I chose humanities, and it really showed that I started managing not to fail. And in 12th, I really started enjoying my studies. So yeah, बहुत देर से मैं एक ही चीज़ बोले जा रही हूँ, but the conclusion of the thing is that I really changed as a person in my 11th and 12th grade, and major reasons were my classmates and few of my teachers, not all of my teachers, one or two of my teachers, just one teacher actually, to be precise. I took her name. So yeah, when I was in 10th, there was this COVID going on. Okay, so हमारे boards के exam नहीं हुए थे. And in 12th, अचानक से I scored 80%, which was a huge deal. It's not a great grade, like it's not an amazing marks. 80% is okay, but it was like big deal for me, because I never scored those marks. Okay, so I really did started enjoying after 11th, after 10th grade. And talking about my studies now, I feel I really enjoy my subject, because in my graduation as well, I chose political science as my subject, and I chose what I really liked. Like in my last exams, I topped in my class. So that's the evolution of me as a student. But also one more thing that I would like to mention here: after my 12th grade, I'm not going to say the name of that college, but I chose the wrong college. And I realized that after a year of being in that college. But then I took a bold decision again कि छोड़ देते college. So छोड़ दिया मैंने college. Okay? And then I decided to join the college in which I am in right now. And I totally I'm happy that I took that decision. So yeah, I did took a lot of bold decisions as well. But me being me, नई कॉलेज में जाने के बाद भी फर्स्ट ईयर तो मैंने ऐसे ही वेस्ट कर दिया बिकॉज ऑफ लॉट ऑफ बंकिंग्स एंड मौज मस्ती, छुट्टियाँ, नॉट being very serious about exams. I even skipped my main exams, okay, just because I wanted to watch movies. So पहला ईयर ऐसे खराब गया. सेकेंड ईयर में I decided to चलो अभी फर्स्ट ईयर में बहुत ज़्यादा पंगे हो गए हैं, so सेकेंड ईयर में चले जाते हैं कॉलेज. First semester I'm talking about, I'm so sorry. So अब in first semester बहुत ज़्यादा मज़े मार लिए, okay. सो सेकेंड सेमेस्टर में जब मैं आई एंड व्हेन आई गॉट टू नो अबाउट कि क्या क्या मिस कर दिया मैंने फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में, सेकेंड सेमेस्टर में आई थॉट कि चलो अभी सब बंद, मज़े मज़े सब अब एकदम रेगुलर इन कॉलेज. बट देन आई अगेन कुड नॉट मेंटेन द रिकॉर्ड ऑफ हैविंग 65 or 75% ऑफ अटेंडेंस. तो अगेन आई गॉट डिटेन्ड. सो पहला फर्स्ट ईयर तो मेरा ऐसे ही गया है. बट नाउ इन सेकेंड ईयर आई हैव अगेन मैनेज्ड टू कोप अप एंड नाउ आई एम हैविंग ग्रेट टाइम इन माई कॉलेज. अभी मेरे एग्जाम्स आने वाले हैं एंड आई एम स्टिल लैकिंग बिहाइंड अटेंडेंस, बट विश मी लक, इस बार शायद हो जाए मेरी 75% अटेंडेंस पूरी and I'll be finally able to give my final exams for the first time in 2 years. So yeah, this is life. There's like up and downs in life. So that was my student life. Other than that, what I'm really enjoying these days is, okay, I'm gonna talk about this place that is my favorite place. So all of my favorite people who know me knows what place I'm talking about. It's like a bookstore in my city, Jaipur. And I love going there. So whenever I'm feeling low, sad, I go there and I just buy books, okay? And I buy books and I feel so happy for some reason. Even though if I'm not having time to read books, I'll just buy books and be happy. It's not that every time मेरा मूड खराब होता है तभी मैं बुक्स लाती हूँ, मेरा अच्छा मूड होता है तब भी मैं बुक्स लाती हूँ. So that is like a consistent thing. So that is my favorite thing. So if it's my birthday and you are confused कि क्या गिफ्ट करूँ तो बुक्स गिफ्ट कर दो, okay? So I would like to show you all. मैं recently I think 2-3 दिन पहले as I said मेरा मूड खराब था and I went in that bookstore. I bought new books. I would really like to show you guys those books. Wait a second. Hey, I got these 2 books. Firstly, look at how beautiful they are. Guys, मेरा प्यार अलग ही है बुक्स के साथ. मतलब एंड अगर मैं उस 10th क्लास में होती और मैं ये लाइन सुन भी लेती अपने मुंह से कि मैं ये बोल रही हूँ कि मेरे को बुक्स पसंद है, मैं चक्कर खा के गिर जाती. बिकॉज आई वॉज लाइक अ वेरी लाइक अ बुक्स हेटर. क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि बुक्स इंटरेस्टिंग कैसे हो सकती हैं, बट नाउ आई नो बुक्स इंटरेस्टिंग बहुत ज़्यादा हो सकती है. आई वुड लाइक टू शो यू ऑल कि मैंने अभी क्या ख़रीदा था. सो सिंस इट्स समर तो मुझे समर वाली बुक्स लेनी थी. अभी कल परसों मैं अपनी बुक्स अरेंज कर रही थी एंड माई मॉम वाज सिटिंग ऑन लाइक सामने एंड वी वर लाइक टॉकिंग एंड आई वाज लाइक टॉकिंग विद माई सेल्फ कि ये गर्मियों की बुक्स हैं, ये सर्दियों में पढ़ने वाली बुक्स हैं ना. माई मॉम वाज लाइक सीजन के हिसाब से भी बुक्स होती है. आई वाज लाइक यस मॉम. Suddenly the dogs have decided to fight at literally 1 a.m. in the morning. But firstly this is Summer of Broken Rules and ये book मुझे बहुत टाइम पहले से लेनी थी but मुझे बुक स्टोर में अब दिखी जाके, so I bought it. I'm super excited to read this. But अभी तो मैंने ये वाली स्टार्ट करी है. This is Radio Silence by Alice Oseman. Honestly मैंने इस बुक के बारे में कहीं नहीं पढ़ा था पहले, but I really liked the cover and जो भी पीछे ये लिखा होता है ये मैंने पढ़ के I was like this is something I would really like. So I bought it and I've also started reading it and I'm enjoying it honestly. I'm definitely going to give you guys reviews of these books once I complete reading them. So yes. What else? So if you're watching me for the first time, which you probably are, I could tell you like what all things you can expect from. Oh भाई लाइट चली गई फिर से. सॉरी गाइज, फिर से लाइट चली गई. एज आई एम सेइंग, मैं यूट्यूब वीडियोस मेरी गलती नहीं है भाई, ये कुछ हो ही जाता है. क्या बोल रही थी मैं, भूल गई फिर से. या सो एज अ व्यूअर, I would like to tell you all what all things you could expect from me on this channel. So I love making vlogs. So you're gonna see a lot of vlogs, a lot of sit down videos like this one, like such heart to heart conversations. And I am also thinking to do a lot of podcast videos, because I personally love watching podcast videos, and I think it would be really fun for me to make podcasts. I can like bring up some of my like मेरी age के लोग on this channel, and we can just have conversations, right? And I'm also gonna talk about lot of book reviews and lot of books, and lot of chatting is gonna happen on this channel. Be ready. And rest you all can suggest me as well. If you want to watch something alag, you can just let me know in the comment section. I would love to do that too. So yes, and a lot of exciting things are also coming up. Very very exciting things. I can't talk about them right now because nazar बहुत बुरी चीज़ है, बहुत बुरी चीज़ है nazar. So I'm not going to talk about that अभी on this video. I think confirm हो जाने के बाद चीज़ है, I'm gonna definitely share and vlog everything for you all. I'm super excited. उसके अलावा we are also going to shift super soon, तो वो shifting and all that, I'm super excited. इस YouTube चैनल पे मैंने इतना शिफ्ट किया है, पहले भी आई थिंक मैंने शिफ्टिंग वीडियोस डाली हुई हैं. आई प्रोबेबली माइट डिलीट ऑल द old videos that I've posted on this channel, because I like cringe at my best when I watch those videos. I don't want to feel embarrassed again, so I might just delete those videos. Please let me know in the comment section what kind of videos I can put up on this channel. मेरे को suggestions दो भाई, I would really love that from you all. And I am very sure that I'm forgetting a lot of things, but we might just talk about them later in upcoming videos. So thank you so much for watching this video. It was just like a kind of introduction video of myself, and just a little chit chat that I did, just to make you all guys know that I am back on this channel. So go subscribe and let me know in the comment section what all kind of content you want to see on this channel. I'll try my best to be consistent, okay? I promise. Bye. Guys, one more thing that I forgot to mention, कि there are a lot of videos that I haven't posted yet. मैंने बहुत सारे videos पहले बना रखे हैं. So if you guys want to see those vlogs, just let me know. I might post पुराने videos जो मैंने बनाए हैं. Okay, bye.